Hey guys, this is the 18-day update to the hybrid ceramic liquid wax. As you can tell, it's raining today. It's 40 degrees out. The car has been through about 3 rainstorms in the Dallas-Fort Worth area, and I'm gonna show you how it's holding up. As you can see, it doesn't beat up as fast anymore, but that's to be expected. I mean, I did drive through a lot of muddy puddles, and this is the hood. Still beats up good on the hood. Seems that the fender took a little bit of a hit. The door still beats crazy fast. See how fast that beats? And then compared to the fender doesn't beat as fast. It starts to sheet, then it beats. And as compared to the front bumper, the bumper seems to held up better than the fender somehow. I don't know why the fender is so weak. Then this is the roof. The roof still does pretty good. So for some reason the fender, maybe I didn't clay bar this area good enough, maybe I didn't apply enough, but I did do 2 coats 24 hours apart, so I don't see why this fender would not hold up as well compared to the rest of the car. Because look at the hood. It beads immediately, but right here, it sheets, then it rolls off. I don't know why.